laughing at me? Because I have the hiccups.
Yeah.
You know it's natural, right?
I know it's natural.
Everybody gets it. Just like...
Just like everybody poops.
There's a book called Everybody Poops. It's like to help party people.
That is funny. What the hell is it?
Sitting for the moment.
Yeah, it's dope, but like, it's not the actual beginning.
No.
Okay.
It's just like that other piece of shit.
Okay.
Jesus.
This is the dumbest thing. That's like rolled my eyes. Back of my head or something.
I remember
Get dirty shit out of
the
here.
first time I came here. It's been a rough 6 years.
Dude,
I'm just happy to not be that person anymore.
Why?
So is
Why
my
do you
wife.
guys always want to kick me? What did I fucking
Thank you
do?
for letting me do this.
This is ridiculous.
That's all I have to share right now.
Is there anyone else who'd like to share with us tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, I could. Kyle, why the fuck are you my friend?
My name is Marshall.
The hell?
Sorry about that. Sorry about that there. You alright? Alright? Fucking Tanner. It's a fucking Tanner. Who's Tanner? Oh my god.